Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today I am part of a fabulous collab group with a bunch of beautiful, talented women, and we are all going to be creating clown looks, and I'm so very excited about this. I don't know why, I just think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see what everyone has created. I will have a link down below that has a playlist of everybody's videos, so you guys can go and check them out and show them some love as well. We are going to jump right into Okay, here is the final look, and you can definitely dress up this look with like a pink wig or a hat or, you know, anything that you want to do, but I really think this look turned out kind of cool and it's very, very creepy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. And please check out the playlist and check out all of the beautiful women and the looks that they created. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.